Every great journey begins with a spark, every legend with a roar. The Corvette isn't just a car, it's a statement, a dream sculpted in steel, fueled by determination and powered by the relentless pursuit of excellence. Narrated for over 70 years, the Corvette has carried the spirit of America, bold, fearless, unapologetic. It has stood as a symbol of ambition, a reminder that limits exist only to be broken. When you sit behind the wheel of a Corvette, you're not just driving, you're commanding possibility itself. Narrator, think about the word legacy. It is not given, it's earned. The Corvette was born in 1953, not in a time of comfort but in a time of challenge. The world doubted, critics questioned, but innovators, dreamers and believers refused to quit. They built something that redefined speed, design and passion. Narrator, a Corvette is more than horsepower, it is more than carbon fiber and aerodynamic precision. It is discipline, it is courage, it is that inner voice whispering when the world says stop. Keep going. Every rev of its engine is a heartbeat of persistence, every gear shift a reminder that progress never comes easy, but it comes. Seen Corvette parked overlooking a city skyline at dusk, lights shimmering below. Narrator, there are two kinds of people in life, those who settle and those who chase, those who accept ordinary and those who demand extraordinary. The Corvette has always belonged to the second group, to the risk takers, the dreamers, the fighters, the ones who refuse to live in the shadows. Cut to Corvette accelerating down a runway, tires screeching, camera following closely behind. Narrator, when you push a Corvette to its limits, you learn something about yourself. You realize fear is temporary but regret lasts forever. The road doesn't care about excuses, it respects only action. And the Corvette doesn't wait for permission, it creates its own destiny. Narrator, each generation of Corvette tells a story of evolution, of reinvention, from the curves of the C1 to the aggressive stance of the C3 to the raw muscle of the C7 and the revolutionary mid-engine C8. Every model proves one truth: greatness is never final, it is a constant pursuit. Narrator, and so it is with life. You cannot stop at your first success, you cannot cling to yesterday's victories. You must evolve, adapt and rise. Like the Corvette, you must dare to rewrite your own story. Cut to Corvette speeding through a tunnel, echo of the engine fills the air. Narrator, that tunnel you're in right now, the doubts, the failures, the struggles, it is not forever. There is light on the other side, but you got to push, you got to accelerate, you got to believe that your engine still has power left in it. Corvette parked under bright stadium lights, engine idling, dramatic pause. Narrator, remember this: success is about where you start, it is about how far you're willing to go. The Corvette was never born perfect, it was built through trials, through innovation, through persistence, and so are you. Every setback is just another lap, every obstacle another corner to conquer, every moment of doubt another chance to floor the accelerator and prove yourself. Narrator, life is a race, not against others but against yourself, against the voice that says you can't, against the limits they try to place on you, against the fear of failure. Be like the Corvette, bold, relentless, timeless, because the finish line isn't the end, it is just the beginning of another lap. Closing shot Corvette emblem filling the screen heartbeat sound effect fading into the roar of the engine narrator. This is more than a car, this is motivation on wheels, this is the Corvette. Word count 105. Would you like me to also add on screen text cues so it looks more cinematic for video editing?